Well, hello guys, and hoping that everybody is doing fine so far. Here is the video for the ID Cafe, the first video. The idea is that you can watch the video and then you can complete all the exercises that we have from this video in the book.
Hey, Lucy, it's Andrea. I'm in line. Where are you? Hurry up.
Andrea, I'm here. How are you?
I'm okay. It's so early.
I know, I'm so tired. Coffee.
Next, please.
It's you.
Good morning, I'm Jim Landry, and I'm the instructor for this class. What is your last name, please?
Hi, it's Wainwright.
Wainwright. Could you spell that for me, please?
Sure. Wainwright.
Thank you. Sign here, please. And what's your first name?
Andrea.
Great. Okay, ID, please. Okay, thanks. All set. Class starts at 8:30.
Thank you.
Next.
Hi, I'm Lucia Isabela Pereira Garcia. You can call me Lucy.
Could you spell your last name, please?
Sure, Pereiragarcia.
Thanks, Lucy. Great. See you in class.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, hello everyone. I'm Jim Landry, and I'm your instructor for yoga. This is a beginner class.
Morning.
Good morning.
So let's begin. Let's do this. Can I help you?
Is this room 2?
No, room 2 is next door.
Oh, sorry. What class is this?
August? Are you in our yoga class?
Yoga. Yes. Actually, yes, I am.
What? Huh? August, we're in the capoeira class.
No. You're in the capoeira. I'm in the yoga class.
Oh, okay. All right, see you later.
What's your name?
August Wainwright.
You're not on my list, but that's okay. If you get a yoga mat, please.
There.
Oh, yeah, yoga. Oh, that's a great first class.
All right, the idea is that you can complete these exercises. So we're going to have it here for a couple of seconds, then I'll show you the next exercise and the next one so you could be able to complete it all with no problem. Second exercise, look at the picture. Where are they? They're in a gym, in an apartment, in a classroom, in a theater. So try to answer that question. Third party says, while washing, watch until 0:44 and complete extracts. Could you spell that for me, please? Andrea, sure. And then you gotta complete the letters that are missing here. Jim, what's your? Complete that question. Andrea, Jim, great, okay, please. And Jim, could you spell your last name, please? And here you gotta put the letters that are missing. The next exercise, I'm going to put it there, but we did that in class already. It says make it personal. In pairs, spell your name, then each invent another name and ask and answer. So the idea here is that you can practice how to ask about your name. What's your name? And how to ask about the spelling. How do you spell your name? There you have Salceda. That'll be the last name. Also, you can practice. If you have a partner, great. If you don't have a partner, use you in the mirror as a partner so you can ask your name and how to spell your name, how to spell your last name. Practice. The next exercise is said, watch the complete video. So watch the video again. And then you got to answer if it's true or false. All right. The instructor's name is Jim Landry. True or false? It's a beginner class. True or false? The yoga class is in room 2. True or false? August isn't in the yoga class. True or false? Daniels is in the capoeira class. True or false? August is on the class list. True or false? And the class isn't very good. True or false? So complete true or false depending on what you see in the video. The next part, complete the extract. Watch from 2:12 to 2:45 again to check. Daniel, so you complete the blanks that we have here. I'll leave it in for a couple of seconds so we can go to the next exercise. Remember that you need to have your book, and according to your book, then you complete these parts. And when you finish, you take a picture and you send it to the platform on the part that it says the exercises of the ID Cafe. The next exercise says complete 1 through 8 with August, Andrea, or the instruction. So if it's August, you put AU. If it's Andrea, you put AN. The instruction, you put an I. Daniel, you put a D. Or Lucy, you put LU. So depending on the person that said these things in the video, then you gotta put their initials. Is in line first, you gotta put here the initials of the person that said it, right? If it's August, you put AU. If it was Andrea that said this, you put AN, and so on. So you got there is in the line first. Arrives late and brings coffee. Who says it's so early? Signs her name on list first. Says the yoga class starts at 8:30, and blank have the same last name. So these are 2 people, all right, just in case. And number 7 goes to the capoeira class. Who? And number 8 thinks the first class is great. You put the initials of the person that said those things. On the next part, and I remember we completed this already in the class, but just in case you were absent or you wasn't able to do it, says check the category of for phrases 1 through 9, greeting or goodbyes. So the first category is this one, greeting or goodbye. So if it's a greeting or a goodbye, then you put a check mark here. Introducing yourself will be the second one, introducing yourself, that is IY. And then asking for information will be AFI. So you read this, it says, hey Lucy, if that is in a greeting or a goodbye, then you put a check mark here. If it's introducing yourself, then you put a check mark here. Or if it's asking for information, you put a check mark here. So you read the rest, and whatever they belong, you put their check mark. Hey Lucy, good morning. I am Jim Laundry. Could you spell your name? ID please. You can call me Lucy. Hello everyone. It's in room 2 and see you later. So you put them in the category that they belong. All right, here we have the last part. In the last part, we did it basically in the classroom. This is more like the practice. And remember, this part is more about speaking. So here you needed to create a conversation and role play in groups of 3. You are the instructor, B and C, you are in the class. Use the phrases in B, introduce yourself, give information, and say goodbye to your partners. Change roles. To change roles means that you want to play the different roles. Now, the idea here is that you can practice, all right? So imagine that you are going to the class, you have somebody as an instructor, and you have another person as a student. So you start practicing the questions and the answer. Hello, I am Sam. Is this the yoga class? Hello, I am Peter. Is this the English class? Hello, is this the class, the car driving class? You know, when you can ask, hi, yes, it is. I am the instructor. Well, yes, it is. I am a student, but this is the second class. Or yes, it is. This is the first class. My name is Juan Carlos, and you can continue asking questions about the class. All right. The classes start at 8. You can put their time. The class is from Monday to Friday. You need to be here at 8 p.m. and the class takes 2 hours, or the class takes 1 hour. So whatever it is that you have about the class, the idea is that you can have a conversation talking about a class, the instructor and the students inside the class. Okay? I think that's basically it for now. So hoping that everybody is able to check these things and that everybody is able to complete the exercises that we have here and to watch the video. Bye-bye.